All right, so we talked a little bit about heat mats. Another option that you can use is a germination chamber. So what a lot of people will use is a coat closet, or maybe they have an old refrigerator that no longer works and they put all their plants into that coat closet or into that refrigerator, and then they heat it with a heat mat, or maybe they heat it with something like a crock pot with some oil in it, and they heat that growth chamber that way in order to maintain just a small area of warmer temperatures, just until you start to see that first true leaf coming out. So you're gonna see those plants emerge, you're gonna see the cotyledons, that'll be the first leaves that come out, and then the true leaves will be that first leaves after the cotyledon. Once you just start to see those first true leaves coming out of the plant, you take the plants off of the heat mat and take it out to your greenhouse grow out bed, or take them out of your growth chamber. Soil blocks are a way to germinate plants without using any plastics. So we've got a soil blocking machine here, and here we have some really nice soil blocks made up. Again, the nice thing about soil blocks is there's no plastic, and there's actually a little bit of a gap in between each cell here. And so you end up with root pruned seedlings. So rather than having seedlings where the roots start to spiral around when they hit the walls and the plastic like we do in our trays, the roots here just stop growing when they reach that air pocket or that end point. So super nice way to grow transplants, but that's a whole nother video. So we'll have a longer video covering those in more detail later. As always, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more videos.